Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Sharing Knowledge video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Windows 11 downloaded updates. In this method, we will manually delete the updates that have been downloaded but are pending installation. So if you don't want to install the downloaded updates, you need to follow this method. Okay, let's start. To do that, open the Run dialog box by pressing Windows logo key plus R. In the Run dialog box, we'll type C:\Windows /software distribution /download and press Enter key to open the download folder. Otherwise, open the File Explorer on your PC and navigate to this path. Okay. In the download folder, you need to press the CTRL plus A button to select all files. Then press the Shift and Delete button to permanently delete all downloaded updates. Some of the files may not be deleted. You can just leave them to continue by skip because those files are currently in use for some programs. That's it. You are done. This will delete the downloaded Windows 11 updates. After this, Windows will check for any available updates. If you have any available updates, Windows will download and install automatically. That's it. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching and supporting. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Your contribution is more confidence to us. If you have any issues, so please let me know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more useful videos. Once again, thanks for watching and supporting. See you in next video. Bye. Take care.